Namaste. Hello everyone. A very warm welcome to you all to our new YouTube channel Commerce Career YouTube channel. Let us understand who we are, what is Commerce Career YouTube channel, what are the purposes and objectives of this channel, what kind of information is available through this channel, and who all are going to get benefit from this channel. To start with, let me introduce myself. My name is Vasudeva. I am a chartered accountant. I born and brought up in a simple farming family where my parents are agriculturists. I grew up in a small village and around a rural area. I completed my initial school education in government schools around my village. Then I completed my graduation from University of Mysore. Later I came to Bangalore to do CA, that is Chartered Accountancy course, and I completed CA as well. I have been living here in Bangalore for 20 years. Now Bangalore is my place where I live. As I am a chartered accountant, I have been working in the field of finance and accounting over last 15 years. I have seen different types of companies, clients, and different types of companies from different industry. I have associated with a lot of intellectuals, resourceful people, and I have been surrounded by a lot of friends who are also chartered accountant like me, and people who have achieved something in life. And this is how I have got a deep experience into the field of finance and accounts, into the field of commerce, into the corporate world. Now, a typical corporate working lifestyle, work experience, real-time experience in corporate companies is part of my daily life. So that's about my brief introduction. Now let us understand about our Commerce Career YouTube channel. As I mentioned earlier, I am from an agricultural background and studied in government schools, that too in my mother tongue. So during this journey of my education and over 15 years of real-time corporate experience, I have come across a lot of challenges, learned how to handle or tackle those challenges, got an incredible experience and insights about education and corporate career world, etc. Similarly, I have a few chartered accountants who are my friends, who have and similar kind of experience and expertise, who are also with this channel. So their contribution, their effort, their involvement, their support is also with this channel. We may introduce them over through our journey in future through this channel. So now we wish to share our experience, learnings, insights to all the commerce community in India. When I say commerce community, it includes those who have done BCom, BBA, MBA, MCom or MBA or any other commerce related courses, or people who have done already commerce graduation or post graduation and searching for jobs, or people who have already working over 1 to 5 years but they want to upgrade their knowledge, who wants to change their job for better opportunity, or who are searching for a better job or better learning opportunity. So this is what commerce community includes. I hope it is clear people who will be benefited through this channel and what is a commerce community. So we want to share our experience, learnings, insights. We want to elevate and enrich the knowledge of those people who really need it. We have planned to develop their personality, if required to train on the various subjects practically. We will also focus on giving tips, tricks, inputs, direction and guidance on how to get a better jobs in the field of finance and accounts in corporate companies and multinational companies. Our vision is not just giving the gyan, but also to share the job opportunities or vacancies wherever it comes to our notice. As we are associated with the corporate world, we would get to know such vacancies and may share such vacancies as well through this Commerce Career YouTube channel. I will be sharing videos in 2 languages. One is in Kannada, which is my mother tongue, and second one is in English as well. So mostly content will be same in both the languages. So this is about a brief background and purpose of our channel commerce career. I have mentioned in the title and in the thumbnail that ours is a unique vision ever in Indian history, as I believe so. The reason is that this is a new effort, a new vision at individual capacity. This is a unique thinking of a chartered accountant who is from an agricultural background to help and share experience with people who are really in need. So with this, I wish a great learning and a great career to all my commerce community. I request to subscribe to my channel, share my videos with your friends, relatives, and with all you know. Thank you. I will meet you all soon with a new video. Till then, bye bye.